All right, but I say it's all about you, baby. So, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Maybe I told Dini baby I can free. Maybe I told Dini.
I quoted down from do they do.
Okay, free. I quoted him.
I quoted down from do they do.
Okay, maybe I told I won't cry. How? But yet you why? Maybe I told you kasa why? Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Maybe I told Dini baby I can free. Maybe I told also kasa free. Yo, maybe I told you why kasa with the kasa menko.
Sompa FM.
Okay, yanko kasa. Maybe I told Safre you man why I will line or said the corner an angel. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, Abochie.
Yes, I but one minute the kasa.
Mebacho saying in Kranza.
Or saying Kranza, what am I patrolling you?
Abochie, near a hard in say, Ghana card in the register, your Sims in England. So, if in any case, we cry a mistake, now will be a reality car. What Fred telecosuno, I report to the Nippon number amount. Then you tell the victim, they say, "Oh, Yamabechra, when you send a Yamabechra, they say, well, no brand Kranza report to Adenema police because you cannot betray the third party." Any registration, any telecosuno, so far, so.
But I say, as a waka was a boy, we. I can say sim registration can be for, and I believe say it will inure to your benefit or it will answer the question of the question that you have just asked here. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, Pacho. Dini baby, I free.
Pacho Medicella, no take them on Kranza.
Also on Kranza. Oh, okay, that's fine. What am I Pacho ETY?
But we not like we've been understanding guy. There's some particular. I said like more feedback. The Omokasai, like Mokasai and Omokone, like Omokone, Mamu Bamokasa. I say, I should done it.
As a some particular, Omofa show now. As a noise, as a Monte home.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's it. I think we've taken note of that. Maybe I saw my reach now. Mobile money issues here on the saying. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Oh. Hello, good evening. Baby, I told Dini baby I can free.
Yes, me prefer your Fancobaria.
O can say your Fancobaria, and Pacho ETY.
Pacho. Yeah, MTN. Card yeah, Asema Mokan. Yeah. The Pacho. Omakase ye woman omoye djuma wo MTN office ni wa omo jai no na ya de like one say nipa no first no obefe no na wa obi otimi bo udin a odi register o Ghana card no so what I say ntina omo say ya ye woman aye djuma na jai no na ye de sa link no ediko ema wo mo so no mo di yes adwuma no because aye me won say nipa na be frɛ no abo din pepepe a wo di register o card so and me enu ni problem say right there obi be adwuma no no gya ya na say kwa be na mo pass na mo di eto mo adwuma mu ye details be na mo di fi mo say untumi nya adwuma ni yai ana say e wo mfie say a ntan na wo bi tia gya adwuma If I shall win him,
me pass over radio so. What do you also think? Also betting your friend. 0260 196064 0260 196065. When the numbers are betting your phrases. Me no Abdul, me no baby here. Abdul. Now, say no. Kuwa ye kumuno. Ose no so hard dream pa.
Yes, and so
I think security in some say no say na ma fana kwa.
And so hard dream pa. Okay, answer na me security in some so no. Yeah, registration na sector minister.
But so me in fact call away. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes sir, but one am na ka say.
Touch FM will me ka say fair denta.
Will e ka sa free adenta at but eti o.
Okay, so my first me can say. Hello.
But you me tie o kasa.
Some person me can say. We first see as say, omo dey no mahu nipa nidin. One thing say nipa na answer be hu, you know, obe na je say or send sika ma. Through that no be ma hu din direct. So mo fe no so nto muslim.
I think this is somewhere I can party here. Very, very important. We also who will be there. We also send this guy once the crowd are many pada. Nipani ding the pop here. Wow. Yeah, that's it for this contribution to the show. God bless you. And keep on listening to Sompa. All right. But also what Richard is saying, I think we'll pick 2 more calls and then we end the session. 0260-196064, 0260-196065. And Abdul now, KBB.
And it's not make us say sim registration na minister sector minister aka say I think abeboa because we try near here that no man share that meboa
amwa
yes amwa because we try data from Dr. Kenashik be on any outfit data research on here na say about 80% of mobile money fraud that are reporting it becomes inconclusive. Yehwehwe mu ayetimi hwehwe mu nkosi awie wo frɛ telecos na senior we use cano training how obey ko police station call report it na si wo
no
yetimi hwehwe mu nko wie okay and education now kind so no na can per say me draw attention say
because education na memo okay let me talk to this caller. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes sir, but one minute ka say
Kwaku atimi ka say 37.
Kwaku atimi ka say 37. What am I patriotic why?
Na man ka say sim registration di kan ye no first amwa. Nti ni me bia say e kan be ne first wa amwa. Kam je ko an san o kan say say Gana home, see, I'm sending you my own anymore. On say, if you are senior, or say it can. And the day can't say NDC for 1 send this me car as a son one of my banner. NDC, that dear Catamirica. Well, as so yes, I do it. From Ghana card time, and I know, and the movie don't take most cat and flow. And now no more cat as well. Okay,
I'm beside, Mama Vendana, him and to stay put to your radio or bet him white. May that's a pass over radio. So, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm but one I'm in the Casay.
Kweku from Sanya Breku.
Kweku, Senya Breku. All right, yeah, that's it.
Time in all my registration. Almost think I will quite use Ghana for Ghana card. No, Roman was a serial number. There's so many people. They see the young ones there. You are use can you not just like you know? I didn't know more just I didn't. If you say, oh, me in the sick, the phone, I am out 2 hours, oh, me in nurses.
Hey, I'm not for you.
Police station new one now. Reading about Rubin. No one say Monk Telcos, no one Monk J statement, print statement, you know, printing in the man. No question so we use can almost so much transfer that time in a tigo. And I made the statement, no call me to some of the bomb legal sadness or my say. On me to me, I would be up to now. Almost 2 years in it. All
right, but that's it. Pass over the video. So, the catch on answer Yami and Shroud. Let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, me pacho super any.
Super kasa frame.
Me pacho Fanko Barrier John King.
Or Fanko Barrier. What am I patriotic?
John King, yeah. Me pacho your friend is saying SIM card no. If you are meet me call agent or my anything mobile money no. Yes, if you know I work hard maybe 3 or more than mile. Almost in for the ID card and for the Ghana card, I registered check now one amount. Yeah. Because my company 1 or 2, the 3 agents 1 amount. You said that become my MTN card no. No matter the price. No, almost 1 amount, my register, I go on amount more tone. And you know, myself, South Finance no bit me. I'm saying, I open your mouth.
Okay, I think you have made your point. 1 year, ton, sir, already registered SIM, so I think the law would have to catch up with them. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. All right, me five call BABO. You know what's your amount for concerns? If you cry, yes, you cry. One register is if you want register SIMs, you go already. And I want to turn microphone.
I'm already registered SIMs or system name.
And that's what system name.
And that's what system.
Already registered SIM.
Yes. Once about fraud, need yet we have fraudsters on the side of the subscribers. So about agents this yet we have fraudsters. But ninya registration now. Obi bisa ho asem no registration na ye ka say ambo ani say no one say sa registration no mo ye no I think a lot of technical advice a lot of stakeholder engagement in crofo about outer be ka say ambo wo hwe former NI boss Dr. Kenneth Ajiba Atafo onokra okan o throw 3-page letter e come then sector minister no on so train na adwen say kwan ya wo fa so registration embo what they did was to capture biometrics, but Oma verify. So they were just capturing biometrics. And the biometric capture, they always make capture biometrics. But so verify say ampa nipa na, and so you had the for. To say the mainstream banking sector no, and no bank na. One say who do to verification device. And now you will be
sure.
But with the earlier SIM registration idea. You capture biometrics.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Your last words.
Okay, and my last words. Ni mekani say mobile money fraud ekono. Ni nyajina awareness and education.
Sure.
Yes, now CEO of telecommunications no okay. Education, I think I will say you diversify no. Well, we have to diversify the education. If your mind no one way, one say we call website so print here. But yeah, mama, mo do na we use mobile money no so.
They can call website. But I don't know. There's somebody.
So we have to.
I'm coming. There's something hitting somebody here. Okay. Let's see if we can speak to the person before we say goodbye on this particular segment of the show. Hello, good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, me patrol here now kasa free. Oh, baby, friend. Good evening.
Okay, and to say na America no education, I will say yet Mrs. Eniso. Yen use if they are your market honum, nesan use them, yen make the use of the agent in the education process.
Okay.
Because as agents, no, as an obema agent sims no, an amateur sims no, or more educated. But agent or registered subscriber on man education be let alone about fraud. Obi to me ba come on cash out count me. But or you so
me who say cash out
yes.
Would phone number ya microphone?
Yes, or the phone number say
yeah man. The way you scammer.
And by
that no pin.
Yes.
Wow.
Imagine so be sa fraudster friend now. It's too easy say or obenya access to information be open.
Case.
Enti I say make out to one say subscribers no yembo model say education na ebeko. Na say koso omuntimi hu say your pin is your money. And the America your pin is your money.
Your pin is your money.
Yes. When you the money pay, na say we see can na wo dey money no. We see can na wo dey ma nipa na wa frɛ wo no. Enti yenya no yenye say be hwehwɛ information about mobile money fraud no. Yen money nye personal responsibility. Once I want me register sɛ wobɛ use mobile money ne deɛ ɔsɛ woma ɛho adesua no ɛfa fraud ne so na ɛnyɛ wo personal responsibility a wobɛtumi asua fa ways a ɛbɛtumi because data ɛba house ne sɛ 50% of subscribers don't have knowledge about mobile money fraud.
Wow.
Sa data Dr. Kenashigbe ono ani outfit na about 50%.
Omu nim adekoro.
The omu nim ne mobile money fraud mpo. Kwan ya wo fa so a
ye wia omu no gram nim 50%.
50%.
Wow.
But we use mobile money. So you can imagine anything na ma although the positives are there say mobile money transaction e cost through data then you Patrick e dey be chair earlier no e boa e pa mobile money e cost but dedication to fight the fraud niso no e was say ma eno so come they say so
education omodi ba form baby on dey was so
yes e was so agent use e bia influencers omo ye omo
bloggers ne sankrofo
yes no marketplaces
and media houses which is Sompa FM no omo advert ba ha ne omo na eko ya na otwi mu ya na odaka tim na eko
baby say girl child education ye be promote ya ama understanding na ko form no once in eba from e because yeah an social program plan no they spend some time 2 minutes 5 minutes to educate people about issue no and when you are there you just say yes say ni ya ebeboa ama rate no aba from
all right Mini Abdul Aziz aiku meda wase but when ya
there we nya bi
but who say bi pa o obi an kan jiro say o say angono ni
oh omuka
za e bi papa ya agoro ni
okay me mami that's from my grandmother, my papa side.
Yes. I don't have already. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
All right. Okay, so Sompa 106.5 FM Market. Remember this show live on Facebook. It's also live on YouTube. Again, the show it's also live. Our Techiman Sompa 106.1. Again, show is live on Sompa 101.1. Ewo Thakwa. Vachokai Electroland Ghana for Ada Aswe Asra Yedi Enkoboyi Ebremo. Nasaka you said Yewo Ora Solomon Wusu aha movement for change. Now hey Asamwe si Ghana how?
All right.
Asamwe si Ghana how menim so what yana?
Asambe ne.
Yes, he has suspended Chief Justice.
O say normal.
Oh, normal.
Of course.
Then man here but post ma me na me hwe. O say normal.
That's a Chief Justice betumi suspended or constitution manambo.
Sir.
Yes. And the ones that away constitution there is a bit messy. And the see an nyanwa.
And do ya suspension here suspending in here as a corona but post letter na me why me person me hu letter no na me kan letter no de kire ye na tie for oti en sabre this is not a letter. This is only I send a letter to you. Me the letter and kasa send them. But all right, producer, but tribe me kakra why. Na me hwe na Solomon, were you surprised Chief Justice Sabri o mampanyin say onjina ho me kakra?
No. Me nya surprise.
Arintra.
Me vi say eni say o mango for ye ni yedum. O man ho kwan ma engo for ye ni yedum na wan hwe ya. Echirensem na kofa enimguase pi namba. There was this Supreme Court Justice of America, a friend Abby Fortas. Eba se na omo pese omo impeachino. Now, o share ya ohun ni o na ye abono na eno na Abby Fortas. Oko negotiating the exit and resign here. And okay, I was thinking say Mami Tokono be negotiate the exit.
Oh, Samu.
Oh, yes. Yeah, you see, if you are saying Tokobia near Kuini, and Yan Tokobia now Kwa Ubewini. Anna, Oya Bema Pia, Yakuja.
Oya Bema Pia, Yakuja.
Samson, or your bar Pia, Yabequaja.
Arinja.
Yes, answer. Petition, first petition. Remember, if Professor Gokwasa, the Koyo.
Yeah, make I fa.
That time na December 17th. Ya to abewi amieyi. Your friend is say Ora Muhammad win it. Now, reason our site and I say reasons no. Na on the face of it na anwashi. But o mampeni akufa do di agro.
Say on ye competent
or misbehavior. Because onyare and these are the two a year ni bit regular so. Now the premise no was that your friend is saying ɔbaa hima toko no akɔbɔ nkɔfoɔ bi din a ɔpɛ sɛ bi ɔmo kɔ Supreme Court as judges a wɔne Judicial Council anwene ho, which is against our constitutional provision. Now, Chief Justice because of the Constitution, and they won't mean the Constitution so. But Omampeni Dada Akufo-Addo responded to that petition. Or the Naho Dinina Kujina say, Professor Kwaku Asare essay or presented petition on the 18th or on the 17th of December. Meanwhile, the letter the surrounded by the 16th. And on one sounds me a leaky. Sa petition. To require no sham maybe I bet me a dear coach Professor Kwaku Asare, and I said, they are punishing. He was not too concerned about issues now. Because on the face of it, there was a prima facie on seeing it, sir. Idea also only Judicial Council. Echo discussing. No, because when the Judicial Council and discussing, name letter on Yenya site be online. Just say one man penny na correspondence. Not just say I was here. But one penny said otherwise. And then if you are a buy now this current petition there. Fully because we are not supposed to know.
No, we are not supposed to even know the content of the petition.
So on what basis now people go for say say and I say me who them go for because judiciary na ye attack unya hu petition na ma me say bi wonya kwada okrom ha oye lawyer ni oye lawyer answer oba be judge why judge abe chief justice. Do you believe for a moment say ubetumi de huru hira da sembia akwakobo na bra obeteno dinsa? No. And it there so far, baby, I bedri or mampeni obien to me and pinpoint. I'll be the first person to criticize your mama. Abraham say what side step constitution. So far be being wa or mampeni mama ya and the constitution the boy Article 146 is so clear. Obin for petition ra or the petition the bar. On the face of it, say ye come by the constitutional provision the kwanwa. And who he has an God the Chief Justice. But then we have the case law of Ejetu versus Attorney General. Say, Obidi. I was also a yinano. Now, Obeka say a muona. Tasemi by Yenya NPP MP4. Tafu Pankrono, Vincent Ekwasefwa. Our court said, court to prevent Omampeni John Dramani Mama said, obey Chief Justice, no, unless Obama the copy of the petition. I'm there to be the answer. No. Abra Ekwa Vincent, I said for yes, I know.
Yeah.
And then Omampeni, Omampeni say, Emrano nkasa mema 10 days. Ba o man 10 days some fan respond. So orenda sa court issue no moot. Ana one more respond. Ana Council of State ehia wo so aka say no. Asemu ha osieka. Now as a Council of State nya ka say there is a prima facie case. The also mampeni ya ne say or set up a 5-member committee. Eno na hu. Now, the 5-member committee, no, the constitution is so clear. Said 2 of them must be members of Supreme Court judges. 2 are Puama Scott, or a Supreme Court judge. A Supreme Court judge.
For the benefit of our listeners, no, maybe be communicating what's on Facebook to 1 year 8 year or radio. So, but over to me on Facebook. Oko Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Letter no at a Facebook page. Letter with letterhead Presidency Communications, and of course dated April 22nd, 2025. President Mahama suspends Chief Justice after setting up a committee to probe petitions. President John Dramani Mahama has, in accordance with Article 1466 of the Constitution and in consultation with the Council of State, determined that a prima facie case has been established in respect of 3 petitions against the Chief Justice, her leadership, Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki Tokono. The President has consequently established a committee in compliance with Article 1466 of the Constitution and in consultation with the Council of State with the following composition to inquire into the petitions which have been referred to him. Justice Gabriel Scott, Puaman, Justice of the Supreme Court Chairman, Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Esiedu, Justice of the Supreme Court Member, Daniel Yao Domelevo, former Auditor General Member, Major Flora Bazanura Dalugo, and Ghana Armed Forces Member, and Professor James Sefa Jisa, Associate Professor, University of Ghana Member. Pursuant to Article 1460 of the Constitution and in accordance with the advice of the Council of State, the President has by a warrant suspended the Chief Justice with immediate effect pending the outcome of the committee's pending. Signed, Felix Kwachu-Fosu, MP, spokesperson to the President, Minister, Government Communications. And to any krata if you are being waba.
To any satisfy constitutional provision.
Sure.
Because if you read Article 1416, and then it was where a petition has been referred to a committee under this article, the President may, in the case of the Chief Justice, acting in accordance with the advice of the Council of State, by warrant signed by him, suspend the Chief Justice. Or wonye anything outside the constitutional provision. But the crew man go among Gengai. The social media are suspending the Constitution. Nation say the moment a Council of State Becca say Bibi was also suspending. So far, me say Minuanum be a 1 PP no to serve.
Almost 2 Ayampia.
Ayampia near ye. Not that I MP before they defend the man. Bibi Wana. So, Ama me could be many in Canada and say me baby descending heavily. I would that current attorney general say, what shall you emboss a cabinet do? Cabinet do ya a signal $7 million assembled so by the middle of April.
National Signals Bureau.
Or the Rebecca Court. But with what is happening with that Chief Justice and also hold on. Because a won't cleaning mess within the judiciary. And go for fun and say, and yet here, son, I had your fatter. So one young right to the judiciary and go for the Sika Bigan. My friend go for Yesika Kroma. Nobody can deny that. Yesika Ira. And who tell and Sika dear from 122 billion Ghana cedis as a debt in 2016. Nancy could do 7 something plus billion. Was say to me explaining why the debt rose
balloon to that effect.
Balloon to that, and we must correspond it with projects. A Kroma answer and partisan over partisan political partisanship. A year did
I think who say Chief Justice, yeah, Sabri, as you you don't see any problem with it.
Up to date on my Benny follow, but that is not to say so we're guilty. So I feel a yati committee.
I feel a committee in the Babette nobody
now makeka se ebona emrebien esi nkwase yempam.
But what you Mustafa Bandi and saying in Zambia no keka borders on criminality o to kwan to o to no na was ordering the bodyguard they call by that or I found the bodyguard and called in the banner call and then crew have you heard those conversations?
I'm a part of the problem. The lives of Mustafa Bandi, they must be told in clear and plain language. So I'm a man go for you who can no man say I deal with a year a legal constitutional provision ye baba and say political football. What is the business of Mustafa Bandi saying all this? A minimum is captured in the Auditor General's report. And I'm not surprised at Domlevo.
Yeah.
You see, says some no the only thing I save your friend is say san you man ho high and say san semu ye can income right obi ntiebi. Now one year and year bear one of the me mamia. From where I sit and what I know no can me negotiate me exit. But I'm a cancer no you know. You can't be wow you show. But like I said, a bit more Auditor General na capture say even per diem anane baba.
Yeah.
Ya de man no. Eso say ma me na nkasa.
Some who say
where you ma me say where you ma me baba say or Chief Justice ana.
That's a per diem do baby cry. I'm say ma me cry so or refund bi ana.
Wo dey you be do ho. And the member you be adwene say Chief Justice or any appointee or you above the law. Say the yenino, yes, Shamranas, Rubia Shamranasi.
Okay, so maybe na mema Peter Wonder Sakwaba or a lecturer at our African University of Communications. Yeah, that's it for your time over here. Am I right?
You are right, sir.
Good. Yeah, but I'll with you. Yo. Say, we share a issue I Dama Bonting, the latest. Chief Justice Gertrude. Oman Penis on Jina Homeka because there are some issues we are also mushim. And of course, they're putting up a 5-member committee to that effect. Then I become fast action here about to join.
Media mini boni mi hu boni bia ewo anamono a president no atuno ho. Na adum pempensuo bi a wose yina yete enema bi ase. Se obi ani Ghana hanom a oson chen emra. Na miankasa don enano na metina ase dwene se na me no bi tika mu na me oni ye kase wo de car bo bi o kire kuro bi so wo de car bo bi wan hwe yi a ye be hye wa hye car ni nyina na the best thing to do they say is na dwene ko police station ye do hye aban kukumu a is a way of protecting you. Eti me fele se nia omampan no ayere de onfom embra bi aye na mbom empem bebre no ya ye ama eniema esi Ghana no ye de entade bi akohye eji se omampan mi ba no tu na mombia na eya akoye to say witch hunting. That is the perception of maybe the publics. Say okay, ye fele se osimasi u kai se mre bi kra bedu ye asem bia ko court na se bebu atan a ni aka se the unanimous the omo emuaye
unanimous FC
omoto mudin esa we chepefe say na ebi mu ade mo perception about the judiciary ni say omo tai aban no echi aban no na echi that perception is there and aban so ba ye from ropa no mo fiase omo ye won mo gige ensase won a omo efele say ya wi ade ya yese a efe say ta mo no e bi the flow say chief justice no omampan da akufo the power no so otwaso etena ho a there is no any other way e do bi ko gina assemdi ano a obedi first nkunim and ye chief justice no every ho that is the perception. Now so we hwe anipa so a omampan ade omoto committee no so a na the only name one ka me pese me pagya edin embra menua pen e ka Domelovo
adenyo say di name a oyem hyewa na
ma hunu se oyonokwafo be obi so badwene se esane asam a oni MPP aban nya ye enti no asam kwa ye nya ndi ye mpo no ye hunu baby wadien
was as a issue Solomon Wusu Kasana he made mention of the fact say essence say in some be a father auditor general's report also the former auditor general and who be here say
mini or how be a papa no
okay
but me just a perception
amount for
benya ne say essence say oni abinded down no enya sabio wantwi bi no this is the time on so be pay you back so I'm telling that is a perception of the publics. Ejina mbra yiminu paying kasa no o kan say oh enam kurom kwafo kasa yes e mo kura che say ya yi na firi oda bi wan hwe ye sania omampan Abraham no set na enchen ni hwe wonsem mu no amasa wan hwe obi number bi kura sebio mano da sumina so tam ba ne timu pan. So I think that is a way to protect the woman. Entino yemfa embi asem nani yemfefe asem ani wan say Ghana no ensem bebre ewo ho a wose ye kan yentimi nka no NDC MPP oh and akoye the ethnocentric esanse me ye fantini nti na mo ye mesa esanse me ya wonani nti na ye mesa esanse me ye NDC nti na mo ye mesa esanse me ye MPP nti na ye mesa saa niema ye free ho a my Ghana entumi emfa no ntoma pa emfira yen kwa betra ye kasei obi aba e wadwene a ode ba me MPP ni me NDC ni nti me kasa a favor party by basa no open yen tumi enkwa animo da look na me kasa wo one of the sister stations na me ka say anka Ghana mpo betu pon a anka omotu pon and wo education so that should have been the era of Omanpain Jerry John Rawlings. Nyame mfa ne kra ensie yie. Embre a all the vocational skills ba ye, technical skills ba ye. Enipa bi ade sa tools, equipments. I was say the chire Ghana phone call ade no.
That's all we fie. Omo wiae.
Omo wie ko fie.
And omo wiae.
Omo ko fie no. Na gugu ho. Ani no mo fe da omo de yam ho eniema. Make us say. Ye kasi sabio ye fefe NDC fo bi sabi ebibo to ahwa niema e be hu no enko yie saa so na e be before so ye kasi ye fefe won hwa niema e be hu no enko yie ye dum pempenso bi se ye be yi politics afri ye kasa mu se o ye to ba wie ya de aka no ye yina ye nkan bom ye mbu man se kofi ena di boni a ye nka kwam so di boni a ye nka ye ne saa megiri yie se oman no ebetumpon nemu mame no ye nyambua no adembu na ten so ma obia enjump to conclusion say o mame no why say but the only suspicion and perception na be kan peja say enkrofa bedwene say ni edi kan ndc aban na wo so ni etoso mienu owura dem level edna be gina mu say on bet come on committee no ho no this is the time. That is the perception.
Okay. Well, Sompa 106.5 market you are baby lines, you know. I'm the political actors are more abontino. Now most of my drink the time is not due yet. Say brother Swan 0260196064 0260196065. Where their numbers are Obetimia phrases so. Actually, you don't see it as a political witch hunt.
Oh, Mr. That's a perception.
But do you see it as a witch hunt?
I don't see it as a witch hunt. Name Eyase. Political witch hunt. Mature the composition of the committee you know. And no Kurano, some scar in the minds of people. Say, Uda Mahama Pasha, Ba ye, Oba say, Uba witch hunt, you can fall, and I saw Ba say, Oba and say. What would I make and media committee the pen say me a little problem and sanka in your neutrals be wo hono mo a na nke tumi yinkofo bi a ye fele say bia ya obi atunutio enti
but just one person obeti may influence the committee you know.
Oh papa
just one person
papa
well when you look at the list of the committee members just one person how can he influence that?
Only say there is only one issue per and obeti me atunutio ye betina he kwedi kan ka say ne ba na me nua no kasa no na ne ba bi kura agigigi akatua bi a esonse ne ma me de enye sa enu nti ene de domelevo adin abehim
na obi anka so
na I'm getting it wrong
no me na me ka say me na make you reference
that might be the reason sorry
I don't think so.
Oh okay that might be.
So that's your thinking.
That might be. Say because of that, and on also no acquire the past. A friend is saying, he needs to come in to maybe investigate that matter. I think that was the issue you raised on the table, and that's what I'm also saying. Say, Papa no, or the kind abetina abenyaso, and na said the Juma new, the Juma new. Eti ye yini free ho no na aban be na yi free ho MP aban e kwan fa so yi yini free ho no papa na say e bone kwan so ye na gitum say na enye.
All right, Babi now I say Peter Wonders or a lecturer at African University of Communications on artist and any dinkon. Mamiko Solomon Ousunje. Solo, I think you've heard him. Is there something you want to put out there?
My main case says before her they have to be hunted. So witch hunting is not any bad thing. So we be there also it me hunter. Yes.
We be before this.
Oh, it me hunter. Yeah, so there is nothing wrong with and there's a more there is a reason why constitution here so clear say. So we are incompetent. Usubanya osi yufro. Enumuani enemu. Now, I don't see how dom level ebe to me aye bibia enye constitutional. Orukra onye che Puama ene che Puama no oye Supreme Court judge say ono a Justice Siedu. So Justice Siedu was in fact appointed by Nana Akufo-Addo. So
yeah.
And also can
be.
And the constitutional framers of the constitution, they were very smart. Almost say apart from the two judges, Miansana account, and this young go for a lawyer for, and this young go for members of parliament, and then this go for a council of state members. It's for a reason. Council of State, you appointed Chief Justice, Bias and you be appointed on Oman Penny and the Council of State in a general. And you know, there means a favor with them. That's number 2. And this was a lawyer because Chief Justice be a lawyer. And there be a fraternity at the bar, or you be cast them so Munyan Boko. Number 3, and this will be a member of parliament because Chief Justice Biano is vetted, he or she is vetted at the parliament. Ti send your beya obenya fair hearing. Ordinary Ghanaians na yenye hu omo no obenya fair hearing. Me no ka say ordinary no nenum nsam e dia kwa dan omampeni oji ya de oso ya no say odi ma committee. And there is nothing new. So in this year no petitioner no ne nsam wo ho ana ma amene nsam no so ofa wo de sansam mienu tu nsaniani a obi nka nto so be hu bibia no kre no eda na asa nyede ana she will have access to counsel.
Yeah.
Edinya anyasam ketua ana petitioner also will have access to counsel. Now me no, my problem is that ekroma ye pese sense mo ani ye ne political. That is why Adia Mustafa Bandi ye no wanchre maturity because wo na wa bem o pese unya onoma ne kototi. So you must be the last person obetoto aboaba park so.
But no mean a person than the deputy general secretary.
And that's what I'm saying
of the NDC.
Wanyadi. And I find it very difficult to understand. Abra Vincent Ekwasef wants to call to us as a dear Namuyi. No cofa go for Damias, the lawyer.
The lawyer. Yeah.
Among my indication, some person we are no NDC MPP. That is why I mean who say no. Mustafa Bandi, you must be smarter. Some comfort person will drag you into the political arena. Near Ben, MPP and this none of Probia Swagim, a chromo on your station. Say, where the MPP station, where NDC station, near polarized system. No, at the end, they not Sempano Yanka.
There is some party in MPP
and nothing else a kind of creature. And it was educated Ghana for social media, the echo so. My men cry a permanent in charge. Abra your constitutional provision say the moment a best committee also channel. So I say, one must add na and go for Antiasia, ye branco foam, a dear chinas of my many a cofa seminum, Nasa Odifua, near Unifrozo, a end is for an abbey pam the floor. May I have said, say, she has started here, you see, say, Minano can negotiate me exist. Can you think of it this way?
All right.
Sir, in some way, you know, I found ye we what film. Yes, so how are you going to even work with the government of the day? To make a man negotiate to set the Abbey Fortress a year in 1969 with the US. No, Sana idiot, but one also our daughter or war will name the ope. Now, one way you know, propaganda be to Musa once and because in some number one kind of income, no, Oko remember from Omumbeli Kibia,
a babonting.
Udi Gary Botoma, a babonting. Na ye say beko judiciary in the key but and go from baby at baby judiciary and the soul of the nation obi chase wo fear baby apeso ko court the obi be yo bia and baby apeso ko court ti omu cry and na me no ka so see e ba be ka galamsey nsem won din grow man judge awo NGO baby akọ excavators yes, you know, judge ruling say,
yeah, because
excavator, not police for me, Hamio. A police for so and more by go see baby. Obian to be any excavator. Yet, Tim Bakum, you know, the same judge, you know, also the previous dinner on Tinky Street to assassinate. Teacher 1 year on Nasa at a tribunal say, yeah, now they're coin.
Now, Unjindi says, a sana a NDC for a trap, a diatono. ebe se bia se yetu aba na ochina MPP ba abanua no so a onso betimi aka say ade we no so chief justice we mo na point to you be pamo because I know the historical antecedent. I think the first chief justice to be sacked Ghana higher say akokosa Kwame Nkrumah also okay Google case no yes but I don't know sir after that no ebiesi pen ana.
Yes, there is always a first time and there is always a second time. Ade bia we constitution mu yi bia na betumi asi so ti ase me person go for the o madwe because na we buy I do we be ye say we so ba be say it doesn't work like that. But why you born here say you and I don't say omo ka say that bia no we must born be say no omo pa kire say maami born bi won ho a in spite of the fact that born won ho no yenya ma ntra wana. Is that what they are telling us? And the yenya o man na ye chichire ne and I no crowd mete me Madam Gloria Bodu.
Yeah.
You all can say I think 146 no e wom keke eni se di adwuma nam so boyi.
Okay way.
Koka no joy FM.
Sompa FM.
Say the mere fa say wo say Chief Justice betumi yi no e wo keke eno ye di ahyem keke eni so bia.
Na ye dey shame weird.
I'm say buradi nya.
Yeah, dey shame weird. I didn't listen to that conversation but if that if that was what she said
the game politics in this say man no. Ese no. Partisan politics no ese o man no.
Mo say movement for change.
Yeah, mu tada yellow book da yi. Yellow.
That say pusi mo ba meti party.
E ba be ye party ni agire mu amagana for na kanokre. You push people to speak the truth. No crime kwa de be man go for kan okro mu a.
So like yembra galamsey issues na me ba on me pacho. Yo galamsey issues yi. Say the ekwi. Do you think say you bet me winning the fight or we are winning the fight against galamsey?
We are not winning. Still I wo ho. Ye why kro na ni keke yentumi emia ni yi. Ye ni mo ye galamsey no okro mu.
Empanyinfo no.
Omo ana ye ehemfo politicians asofo malam for
MPP NDC omo ana wo ye galamsey.
Ana omo nim obi a me se wo pa kokro bi a ye galamsey so de okwa me ha ho. Uduru akos taxi station na trotro station. Na busa se sa galamsey site we wan de ombe boni panidi omo mese.
Wow. What try be that na?
Me sheda etuka afria ye ba be election November. Ekofa atakwa kofa abugo so kofa bebe de japa egure mu kofa prisia efa ya kofa dunkwa akosi obwa medu ba bia na bibusa na bia yetu amene bia so no de ya ne se 100 meters na police barriers yo edina bibusa police for no se ade ye omo ye samo ya we is it the case that mo hwe omo so no maji mu sales ana se ede what is it etien kan kre how can it be say yet o memu yes West African nationals etumi aba be yomo bega aberwani nkran community a nipa wo me more than 10,000 which is more than a certain constituency minimum
na police for omo
your regional police commander or your district police commander your MMDC say was am potemo your national security your enemy friends NIB omo nyina so mo antumi ehu say
but for me sir issue na nkasa no I think I have a bit of a challenge. The challenge they say. Your memu ha empanyinfo wa ha. Ye hu say community sa springe wo. Obian timi ankwa stop wo. Na ma hwe han amomai.
Endi we.
Dog yes.
Hwe ne wo ho ne say.
Yeah.
Galamsey yanhwe yie ne yanyi politics ntoma amfiri ho a. We continue to lose the fight. Hwe nkro bi ho last somebody nkro bi bae. Ebi bedroom ana matu abonka ana mutu galamsey inse nipa no atwa ne fie ho ahia na o hye ne bedroom etu ne galamsey ana ajoa papa obede ko hu no number 2 hwe abrewani nkan ye yeka ho asem kwa yekan yi masa ye kire se ekwan a ekọ sa forest ni mu no omoye koto ba bia wadwen kra de enna so enti the only footpath na ekoro ye chelse ha na ekọ kra wunyi ni se ene ye de ekọ mencho galamsey se na mo ye nefa se abri bia obe wadwen se wo kọ ho no ebi moti nua so ebi moti kwanten a mo hwe se wo ba the moment I walk on my call obo so mo dwane oye na ne ho call ya na san den aba wo di kan say na wo di kan say ayi MPs wom no Dr. Frempong what report no so wo kan ya obo hu enipa obo mu din MPs wom ministers wom ahemfo wom say enipa asikafo den ewom ma wen kan kra nkyira wo say won a yetu galamsey no etinkran krum ha omo she quote empanyinfo no
omo tinkran
omo boys na gu bush mu enti o pass am tell go we could say they shoot and kill ma men kan kra nkyira wo so okum du omo say do aba esa say those who benefit from that galamsey and the owners of the galamsey no enya won omo gu bush no mu ho say okotu galamsey and omo ye ne say omo di kan go hu ahemfo now ahemfo no da we tell to landowners no e wo share ahemfo so wo share and na won so go to galamsey no won so share wo ho enti abiri biara omo to consignment bi e be fi afam ha ba no ohene rep ete ho ana asase wura ne rep no so ya de yin ete ho ansa na won so na wo sika ko shemu no won so rep ya de yin ete ho
so ete ho
etubere amodi edi sa abati hwe na me kire course bi climate change na me de me students call Atiwa Forest na efrekro bi se obo ho ofa suhumu a owura anuma bapam na de wura obo ho kuri imagine say me botra me students no botra obo ho wura forest no inside no me go to China for ho
wow
no pictures obi obedi chimbia I can read the pictures to you. You show pictures. Now go first the deeper and see you know eni I say anwa ewo ani. Number be say won say China ni no ye die hunu say oh na for Atiwa Forest. Enye Ghana ni de ne ko ye.
Ghana ni de ne ko ye.
Enye ohini bi de ne ko ye. Enye komani bi de ne ko ye. Enti say ka say galamsey ye pese etu ase a. Me be feel say enye ma kontimba ya de san mbrante no e of forest no e na be solve sa problem
na den na de be solve
na mo ye research ye chiomo a ye ntoto mo no ne hunu nipa otai omochi
ba se ya chi nkrofo bebre me giri pise e be toto o maro ba nkrofo na nkasa na nya de o mabodi no
o say
o mbodi no mpanyifo ni din de o mbo
papa investigators no o mo kwa mfa so wonya information mo ya chiomo no say susuan pa ye pese Ghana etumpon a ne pese ye dwuma papa sa no etu betwa social first national security for yi and before e from yi they know how to pick their intelligence sania owura ekan okotena even taxi rank utumi ati ana obisa high wine there I tu bo no din no yan pick sa for no one mo se court mo tin kran krom ha no if you begin picking them ya peke mo sad ade no atu betwa ya ti embrante no forest wa wan na yo be belium won ya me belium no they are owners of the sites.
All right, doc, mami na mami ko bi na Solomon usu nchena Zolo na o ka bi se uko the various sites na ko do towns na o bisa ye bodin na usu ni din no na usu di din na sie udi Ghana nyawo edin be no mabobo a wo ni
na we wo ko akire ye agobe se ye nkwa bu azana ya de ye ntu agina azana ye bu na ye nkwa agina na ye bu ye tiana Professor Frempong Boatin ye reporter wo de memfa mi din obi ka se mabo mi tiru no mabo o ye reporter wo bo wo mo ye galamsey din e okroma na nia obo Gabia Saro Chida kudi o so guy obo kwaku ba kudi obo ye friend say ni tekotegu obo protozo di obo wine biu obo wo bia no ye matter in fact at a point was say yanya of us John now we danger to the forest or reporting na sasa no wan kan ba bia o ma ose ono ma benishia o conference room e Jubilee House o ma benitia ono Professor Frempong Boatin ana say John tia ana o ka kire o ma benise kwaguado papa ya otia is the danger to your forest and it's the antenna. Was I heard you from you. In any case, okay, Matthias. Al Jazeera.
Yeah, okay.
You know. Walker investigators no one him say. One no young man no and yet tia. One no to me free Canada eba kroma. Or buy one ne or man penny that they could for the air connection. Oh good, every month to be an offer $40 to $60 million worth of gold every kroma ekokotonwa brochinaria. If I told my penny could for the man a lawyer at Truck or my Jazeera say, well, one of the man withdraw around when you start documentary everywhere. Obesi you sending a whole prepare to see on 1 minimum. And until that time, not galam say no, to cut on penny or concession groma. Or one penny, auto gold or Anglo gold, auto gold or goldfish, auto gold or Newmont. Yet he was shipping $40 to $60 million of gold.
But say you can't prove it. You can't provide evidence to that effect. So it's only an allegation you are making.
It's not an allegation. Se me ko tena be because me betra Sompa na me ka se me ne prof ye connection every month bia no hom ye ko ton gold 10,000 cedis na prof tifie unim sa asem no nya no kre na prof atro abase so Sompa mo na mo ayi sa documentary no me mam 1 week se mo anyi sa documentary na fisa me apologize e won nsem na amaka no a me take action na be say 2 years achi Prof won't be near Sadia as I'm not a crowd as I know.
I have some Sabe Jama 84. And
yes, I'm Sabe. I don't know who Jama because
they are the final. I'm not taking the decision. But I'm moderating.
No, but what? So what is your position on it? Solo. You see that is where the problem is. Yet Tikroma, Nameno, and this if one they must be very careful because nobody is going to allow them to go scot free. It's as a year campaign. Moka say LI 2462.
Mobile repeal.
Oh, by also your amendment. One of say Obino amendment. Share Omanya Yenya Yakwaya for so many years. It took over Kufado and Obeka say or the LI 2462 abase. Yaman ko for kwano mura Yakwaye no mungo say. Hey!
So the lectures on Akonta mining expose are bad.
It's so sad. It's so sad. Maybe a video ni bi no. Are ho me say on my issue statement.
Yeah.
But that is the reality. That is the truth. But the minister no, they all can listen osiwa because we meet here say omni forestry commission for be na ASD no plus security agencies. E o say bana ya run ni omunya up.
But Akonta mining, I've read your statement. They are saying some na and that they've not instructed anybody say on for concessions and command for worth 350,000 Ghana cedis. And that machines in the crowd, machines don't cost a sign. Almost some machines be in the good site saying a whole lot of things. Say or say or there buying or say I'm pardon. So almost say. Onim bibiu fa ho a omo invite no man bra
invite wa omo so nsiu minister no me yegu mani mase se si ofa internet bia so a o click Akonta man na yesi ruku omo line se
yeah
yegu mani mase sei na se office anya no kura defamation and man so akokot na kwase bi nti wakogiska mo
all right me that say esi edu keti answer mo ya otaka ka kwase bi nti but by on this Galamsey issues, Akonta mining, whom send by briefly.
Akonta mining, also about out.
Yeah,
I'm a say for a period of time, no, or on two gold, machines now, a beer, Munka beer, Nidin, a bosso, and so go free in a buy. Unto gold, Fidiano Epadian or site. Could it be said obi and national actual machines that go inside so they be good animals na e bet me about say obi na ASR na anase the town for be na time go go na could it be so and the up to that level but then the fact is that obi animo say Akonta mining has been in mining but that office site all the and the meaning nemo Ghana ha so obi sa obi animo say that Akonta mining no e mining firm o to gold. Oh, Kroma.
We are licensed.
We are licensed. And we two Zagalam say no one as to where say Embra Yashaman so this was on this one and I think Embra for no bit me say Embra the man no what this one say we need so yet. He said, "Ne oba out of the say, enye me, and I made the machine score one, and you see him near bisa. Why not the machines to go go? And I say, just crisis management, you know, manage na."
Because Chairman, what do you response now? They are banned here.
Emoha.
Oh, Emoha. Solo Emoha.
Emoha pa. Emoha.
A good year on this.
A
good year.
Was it then a
good year? I've grown and so you see.
I grow. Why won't do it?
And that is why I bind with they must act. Oma yes, that's also person to galam say nibi. And indeed, our members need to galam say.
NDC members.
Baby, na on Tiana. A whole traditional area. I win. Omochimi akase MP for the area. Oma banish say you tell us. It sounds was sense as well.
Me who's sorry.
And now asoja for ko dunkwa. Yenya NDC for omo be conscious executive omo more prevent asoja for no. Adaya omo no ya mo mama the chick of it. Who you conscious executive who are you?
Mami kwa mano so na me fa course kakra 0260196064 0260196065 we need numbers about me afresh so we just have about some 5 minutes to wrap up 0260196065 0260196064 but you're afraid you are man hello good evening we are so one minute can say yeah, that's it. But wait, you are.
No, Yedika, my member about so, Naman Pakunya and Tia, just because you are friend. And it could feel for some cancer and honorable after your market. Milia, what's your name?
Silva.
Me Bato,